If your ASUS monitor shows a no signal error, the issue is usually related to connections or display settings and can often be fixed quickly. Start by checking that the video cable is firmly connected to both the monitor and your computer, and inspect it for any visible damage. Then open the monitor's menu and make sure the correct input source, like HDMI or DisplayPort, is selected. A quick power reset can also help, so unplug the monitor for about 30 seconds, plug it back in, and restart your computer to clear temporary glitches. If the problem continues, move on to deeper checks. Make sure the monitor cable is connected to the graphics card port instead of the motherboard, especially on desktop PCs. Updating or reinstalling graphics drivers through Device Manager can also restore signal communication. Incorrect resolution or refresh rate settings may block display output, so booting into safe mode and lowering display settings can help. Finally, test the monitor with another device or try a different cable to identify whether the issue comes from the monitor or the computer itself.